Hello everybody and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. So on today's video, we're going to make a drink that dates back to the 1930s. It first appeared in his book, Cafe Royale's book, that was published in the United Kingdom. So the drink is called a Cafe Royale Tequila Matador. All right. And it's an equal parts cocktail that incorporates tequila, dry vermouth, and some orange curaçao. So let's get started. We're going to go 1 ounce of tequila of your choice. Silver will probably be more age appropriate for the time period, but we're going to go with some Casamigos Reposado. So 1 ounce. Next, we're going to go 1 ounce of a dry vermouth, maybe. Just 1 ounce. Like I said, equal part cocktail. And last but not least, we're going to go with 1 ounce of an orange curaçao. All right. I don't know why I always lift that, but I should know better after all these videos. Give us a little ice for chill. Oh, let's go with a coupe glass. I like that nice gold color, but again, if you use a silver tequila or blanco, it'll be a little lighter in color. But anyway, cheers to a Cafe Royale Tequila Matador. I believe this is a really good cocktail, right? I think as you choose your different ingredients, right, would have a little distinct, right? Instead of just using like a regular orange curaçao, try Grand Marnier, right? Give it a little more flavor, a little more balance. But this is a good tequila drink that you can serve your guests who love tequila. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.